Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and I especially welcome you back to the Forex Geek channel. In this particular video, we are going to be looking at a unique indicator known as the spread indicator. Okay, so it's quite a unique indicator in the sense that it allows you to calculate the lowest, average and maximum spread for any currency pair over a chosen period. Okay, so it's an indicator that you might find beneficial if you like to analyze spread changes across brokers. All right, so the spread indicator basically ensures that you are always informed about the true cost of your trades. Okay, so since this is the focus of this indicator, then it is not such that gives you buy or sell signals. Right, we can see the spread indicator at the top left corner. You can see the indicator there at the top left corner. So the indicator, let me just make the color darker so we can see it clearer. All right, so we can see basically the indicator is going to be beneficial for those who likes to analyze spread changes across brokers. Okay, because this indicator is not for the purpose of technical analysis per se. All right, if you like to measure the magnitude of spreads in real time, then this indicator can be beneficial for you. Okay, it can be beneficial for you, right? So as we can see, the indicator for any given currency pair, it's going to show you the lowest or average or maximum spread for any currency pair. Let's just quickly look at the settings for this indicator. All right, okay, if you want to modify the display size or the display color, you can go ahead and do that. So like I said already, this indicator is not for buy and sell signals. All right, it's not for buy and sell signals. It's basically for tracking in real time the spreads of currency pairs. Okay, let's just go to another currency pair and load the indicator on the chart, and you are going to see how it also displays the spread for that indicator. I'm going to change this to black again for easy identification. All right, so we can see the Euro USD is showing us 5.8. The GBP JPY shows us 9.5. Right. Let me go to another currency pair. So if you want to track your spreads easily, the spread indicator saves you the time of doing that manually. All right, with the help of the spread indicator, you no longer need to track your spreads or calculate your spreads manually. Okay, you no longer need to calculate your spreads manually because the spread indicator does that for you. Okay, it does that for you. As we can see, I am going to different currency pairs. I'm going to different currency pairs, and we can see each unique value indicated by the spread indicator. You can see the value for the USD CAD. This is that for the Euro USD. And this is that for GBP JPY. Okay, let's look at another currency pair. So if you are a scalper, for example, maybe you are a kind of trader that is looking for at a given time, right? At a given time, you are looking for a currency pair with the least spread and perhaps with the least not only the least spread, but also that with the least, variance of the spread. The spread indicator can give you good insight as you navigate across different currency pairs and find, precise spread values. You can then be able to make your decisions as to which currency pair you want to focus on at a given time. All right. So whether you are a scalper looking to take advantage of currency pairs with small spreads, or you are maybe another kind of trader who just wants to um, check different brokers. Perhaps if you do arbitrage, maybe if you're an arbitrage trader, for example, perhaps you like to take advantage of the price discrepancies across different platforms or something of such, right? The spread indicator might be able to give you insights. Perhaps you are using different brokers and you want to get ideas as to the broker with the lowest spread. The spread indicator can give you quick insights into doing that. All right. So that is it basically for the spread indicator. It is not used for getting buy or sell signals, like I already said. All right. So if you have any experience using the spread indicator and if it has been beneficial to you in one way or another, and if there is a special way you have applied the spread indicator and you would like to let us know, kindly share with us in the comment section. All right. And generally, if you have any experience using the spread indicator, kindly let us know how your experience has been thus far. Okay. And if you have any questions pertaining to the spread indicator, kindly drop your questions in the comment section below. I would like to hear your thoughts. Okay. So that is it for the spread indicator. It's important for those who pay close attention to spreads. All right. But if you are not the type of trader that necessarily needs to pay close attention to spreads, then the indicator might not exactly capture your attention. Okay. So that is it for this video. I hope you found this video insightful. Kindly like and subscribe for more trading insights. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on more trading videos like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching and happy trading.